Internet Shay. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. So today's video is going to be on the Sassina clip-in hair extensions that I purchased through Amazon, baby girl. Few of my friends and people have been asking for something cheap and affordable, and I felt like, what about clip-ins? Because I do know a lot of ladies that don't like wearing wigs or sew-ins. They like to wear their hair, their hair out, they doobies, whatever, get fresh, get fly. And sometimes you just want to put something in your hair to add a little bit of length or fullness. So I went and I did some research, and this is what I came up with. I did pay $67 for these extensions. I got them in the yaki straight texture, and it is in a length 18. I did go in and clip the ends just a little bit, but if you are interested in seeing how I got this nice, pretty, beautiful look, then please make sure you stay tuned. Okay, baby girl? So here I'm just showing y'all, how it came packaged. It came in a nice, cute little pink box with the wefts, a pink comb, and some clips, and also like a little crocodile clip. The wefts were really, really good. They're bonded together very well. And I just started sectioning my hair off and adding in the extensions. Placing them where they fit, or how, you put it wherever you want to put it. How high, low, whatever is preference is all up to you, sis, at this point. But I do have some heat damage, so my hair is very thin, so we're not going to talk about that. But yeah, y'all get the point. But this hair does blend in very well with your natural hair. I am relaxed, so whether you are relaxed or natural and you just straighten your hair out, this is definitely a good option for you. Also, I only used one pack. I think I am going to go back and order another just to have it, a little bit fuller and thicker, because I kind of like that look. Okay, so now we are all done, and I absolutely love it. I haven't done a side part in so long, not even on a sew-in or a wig, because I just don't like how my face is the braids are tight. It just pulls my face back. I love this. Let me show you all. First, I don't even think I combed the back well. But I already know the back doesn't necessarily blend in with the back of my hair doesn't blend in with the clip-in, because I still have my hair dyed before, so it's kind of, now it's like a off brownish blonde and whatever. I'm not putting any more rinses in it as of yet. Maybe I'll change my mind. But so I already know that doesn't blend in, but that doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, you can dye your hair, sis, but I'm not dyeing mine. I am gonna go in and fix my parting and just put a little bit of edge control. So this is what we're looking like. Just brush all that back, and then and this hair is amazing, and I absolutely love it. I feel like this is a really natural length, which is why I chose it, and I absolutely love it. I am relaxed, so